All right, just want to make a video here for you guys. So I have one of my original pair of Oakley sunglasses. I've owned these sunglasses for, I don't even know, 10, 15 years. These are original FROGSKINS. I just bought new lenses for them and replaced them, and I just want to show you how easy this is. And I will put a link in the description below. I bought these lenses off of Amazon. These are only like, I think they were $9 shipped. But they all are polarized, and they came in like 8 different colors. Previously I had blue ones in there, and this time I just wanted to go all black. Anyways, to replace the lenses, you're going to put your finger and thumb on the lens, grab the top frame, pull up, and push out at the same time, and the lens will pop right out. When you go to put the lens back in, you want to start in this corner over here. Putting them back in there a little bit tougher, but same scenario. You're going to push. Oh, there we go. So I started this corner, went to this outer corner, and then I was able to pull down, and they popped right back in. I'll try this next side over here. Same thing, grab here, pull up, and at the same time you're going to push from the back side to get them out. I'm going to start this nose corner, work my way to this top corner. Actually, that worked a lot easier. You can see it's all the way back in now. So that time I started here, I was pushing here, and I was able just to pop this corner in right there. But I love the way they look. No scratches, brand new. Even came with a little clean off piece here. But hopefully that helps you with how easy it is to replace your lenses. Like I said, I'll put a link in the description below. I bought the lenses off of Amazon for $9, and so far I'm completely happy with them. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and like. Thank you. Hey guys, if you liked my video, you can check out other videos right here just like it. Please hit my subscribe button, and thanks for watching.